Ayaba Eco Clean Solution is an NGO based in the Boku municipality of the Kusak traditional area with the main agenda of cleanliness. They were established in February 2024. Ayaba Eco Clean Solution have employed over 40 women who are keeping the environment clean, especially at the Azoka Complex Market, popularly known as Alakum Nor. On Monday, October 27th, 2024, Smart Media Upper East News team visited the market and filed this report.
Thank you, Smart Media, for your good work. This is Ayaba Eco Clean Solution, and I am the CEO. I also have some management staff that also support me to do the work. And aside from that, we have about 42 women who are also helping us to do the work. This is to make Upper East great. This to make Kusak very great too. So, okay, this is a Azoka Complex Market, popularly known by many people as Alokum Nor. So we are here to make sure that the place is very clean for our sisters, our mothers, our aunties to run their business successfully, and they will go back home without any illness or sickness. So we are here to also speak to the public that we have a vision, and our vision is to be a leading waste management organization in Kusak and at Pais as large. So our duty is to make sure that we keep the environment clean. We also create jobs for our mothers. I've employed women who are almost up to 42 in number who does the cleaning. And I also have staff who supervises them to make sure that they do a thorough cleaning. You know, if without supervision, others will come and do shoddy work and go back. But with the supervision, they are not permitted or allowed to do shoddy work and go back. They do a thorough cleaning. And then we will come and confirm that the place is very clean as we are seeing the place before they are now allowed to go. So we are pleading with everyone in Ghana, in Upper East, and in Kusak to also help us, continue to keep the market clean. And by talking to people about waste management, it also helps us to, maintain the market very clean, because we don't want any related disease will break up in the market. It will give our sisters, mothers, and wives some sickness or disease, and they will carry it back home. Barely, we are almost getting to 2 years now. We started 2024 February up to date. So God willing, February coming next year is our 2 years. So we are almost 1.5 year operating, and we are not sweeping only the Azoka Complex Market. We sweep the Zako Complex Market, the Bonaba area, and then to the Fowls Market. A tax, at the beginning when we started, I entered the market and I saw that the place was very, very dirty. And I told myself, I wish I could have swept the whole market, I alone, for the women to come and do their business. But you see, I couldn't be able to do it alone. So I asked some few women to help me. So they were doing, at the end of the month, there was no money to pay them. I have to catch my bullock and go and sell. So able to get money to pay them. So from time coming, God has also given me a wisdom. Okay, why won't we go to the market women and take something like some pesos from them, and then I will able to pay the women to continue sweeping the market. So God gave me that idea. Then we start to follow the market women whom we are sweeping for them, and each of them will pay one cedi. Others will appreciate that and pay 2 cedis. So that is where I also get money to pay the women, the 42 women who are sweeping.
Meanwhile, the NGO has called on more provision of waste dustbin at the Azoka market.
Market is so large that one dustbin alone cannot contain the rubbish. You understand? So at least even if you get extra two to add it, it will be fine. Because sometimes when the dustbin is full and they've not able to take it on time, then the rubbish starts, spreading off again. And sometimes the houses, those from the houses, when they come and see that the dustbin is full, they don't put it, they just throw it there and have to come and convey it again and put it on the dustbin. So if we can get extra two to add it, it will be very, very good for us. Yes.
On engagement, some employers express their concerns and happiness about Ayaba Eco Clean solution, but call for more support from stakeholders.
Yede inyayi kabazile wusa on zin onda zin kutul moddi are kabida dib dalitin kadin adbe kate pesi dada nyayi yimbegen pusuka tenelen pegere nyayi kawidanda katina mena kore vos ama te bele mepu apada anda yeli baya etu din banzinin ka bangi tina ban me pesi ta te bori nyayi wo bamana ko mitina me an nyayi dem ba man dia si ba pesit si ba lord bis bina digin kaponokora te bele me ba ati duwe ba biya nye bin ba malam panka moriki kati mali nyayi la teba kazile wusa anyayi don tin wusa an nyayi tama zila zin nyayi yel kataba kwalani tama kwa kwalani to wana yoma yi wana nan katin soko mato anana abo silla abo de yeli silma kama wusa e correct wonna bo tana pezina kabakina zin kabe katakwana va sada kabakina zin ama de na pass dia si ba pala mpana ret na va ka ma na regen so ba malama suguro ka isda banda la asazin kare in yayi
Manjore Azure Malik market manager men ko tene bene Boko municipal assembly wana da la men ane Azoka market tam mam ne abane god pese ka yala men po un men ka tam ne be ni na mene fo men no ponye zika mal yayin CCM mani en ziem kwele ni no post po apa men da ade ma woza fa na ba moro mo CCM ma ka ban be zugu na mene ban yang no ngoso te moro na CCM men kan yang ne so ngote ka yang kin tuun tampo e me ka yete zin ko sak ma pogun pe dan te lala zika woza tam ne lala ta ka te ke ma so bon ni nem ka mal te tengen correcto wa to woza an te ma tenga woza gilik dia ata men be we mi ayre pin tengen ser pil dan yiga kananti ye fi aron gos we ma woza kena ka ba na so de woza ai ba stop la nam ku sin si na pogun de pin dan yiga ka de zin ko ni no ko ne post tenga de ma woza ni pim na ban be la woza ane azoka ma ka te be kwele ni la tampo apa ane ba gos zika to mala yayi tam to mala men na si ma ka na government bon ane so men bon ten gilu ni po apa ni so so te ba tam ne po ap na ma ka yang ba rbin kana aye to ba ne zika na yayi si ma ba nang so ngote tutu si men ka yang ne te se tinir pa ka ni wala ba yang to wala na si me mi ye fi ayi na tom ka re ka po ne de to ma we za ben de kon.
Some market women spoke to Smart Media Upper East and expressed their happiness concerning the cleanliness of Azoka Market Complex.
Mbel me mayura ajia na ile mbel na Azoka Market. Ya asira tadala tanan ka ta me kina zin kwe dala ana wanyaye. Ti ya yimben kina ba pesi dala ne kada woni fo yaragam songo degen ne. Ti dala kuma nyale ni pi tadala la nyaye la zuka ba kina tadala na. Ina me kina yim te wula zuga mko tomato se green pepper albasa kakuma cabbage carrot siel farbe fi ya bo siel wosa fonki ma Azoka Market kwe na katinam kuoside bam nyite be kwe katie sora kwe na da tinam ko mor so etram kate se fon kan gere fo men ka po yanga pa na katinam dala tinam an suguru dem so dala fon bo siel wosa ke kwe na lata an wanya tinam mezira ka to kuoside yonne de pe escort mo lata kwe na so to lata de ke ting nor fo an tarmo fo an wala kena wo tinam dir ba fi akomora ka kena ye fo bor fo do kara kai tinam malen tite tinam ben dala na suguru tinam po be dala na suntan fo me yakwe na nye dala fo sunle de mana wana ka so pom po yal siela bana pesta te pos ba baraka ne ba peskan ka peste te bala una na kwem se ba ka ba peska kin tuon una mana de tinga lafi tete ka bana bo suntanam de darbe ka na lebe ba zugun
po se ya bergo mamba kwala la man kuwa sir mana nyora ramata tana man kuwa sir mana la menda pese gaba me pese dada afai de kene ka so ya kene zien yora mana la de te tunu sumala sam don zikani yae ka ven so ya kme ran kwa no bangade anna ba sigida kada ala allam katizi ka enjoyed wakatza ono kumbo tiel wosa timanto si be mana be nanzos be nyadu atiel makama wosa on kwa ma sigida anna kada pelle kuma tana mi yite darfa ba on kene ka zeo ya lo kene ajane la zikin be mara mata ku wosa mana la oh bana kene ka to ko so to so ba o so bana ya on bo tiem ben wosa ka dabiem ka te na ba sigiti sinim balam ka tenari ka gmina yi te meset be rebe
Yura Esther kamit zabo da ala ka ba pese da ba mo da galas una am na kpam se ba ka te se pang ba ya on ba pese ne tana mengi to ka nga pese ne ziga de ganyan fuma ya pom pan fuma na ba nyi ni be pese ka te pe ni dia ko dia ka se ba me ya kene mene te yoro ba mo da galas nam na ke ka ba to ma pan king tunia kama gu so fa kama gu ba na no pote kan ko mala te setela
Haruna Lasan kayi na yo number 2 te post ya pa inam kene ko setela do da la zigine sar set be ta ki da wana sar be ma ban pese da ba mukut dat le da na ye ka pese zira kar ko anyai te ponje ban bara digin no shi menga ma te tika zila anyai da la de mene mo asunga te ko la ne o me marsete te da la de me ken sunga den parce que te zila pak parce que te nan da pa zigin ka mo ji shigo
tenka atene ayarga nkuesir kakaduro ama ban pesila da afan ite pa dia lenka tina mo bor siemala ban mana to bor gomnen song ban pesila ka ba nyanga malgam pesde dala kar afan ite ka bas ni tegen a chocolate station
go smart media man piasil na sala na mi mala kani ginga ko sala bi ko bazugo ko sala ana mam meng buri la ka tenam bani de kwela ta ana aso meng lugor tenam ka gomna moretina tanam ana aso meng lugor ka te tuma an yele te gos ka zikana ka nyaay ne ka mor nyaay kini nana ka aso meng lugor so na bus ka so meng lugor ka nga yur ababane aso meng lugora tenam yur ayaba eco clean solution ayaba la men pom palfelle da ana ko sak yor ka eco clean solution na an yelle de nasa yor kan me pass ko sa yor na nilela ka tuma ane te pezi la nyaay nte se tap ne te puab ne te manamba ne nkenda na de te bada namma so ya peso ya on te at basa ka so fa yina peso robon fa ya den yina peso fo won so ya yina kadegle fala so ya yina yo peso o usu gana kena kwara fon lata de ma ana baas den katamiti na ma wala pezi fa ka fa kena ana fa sengen ma ana fa tolong ayaba eco clean solution ntum si awana te bore kosak ayaye te bore upper east ayaye so tenambe kwe petra te wana yuma yi wana tra sengi yum kane da garla o bunya warsa yi la pogon kena pazina so wena mashak bunya yum pal kane kena la bunya warsa yi la na ati yuma yi nga ka tenambe petra menna asera ni bergo be sere di sere te tomala sanga kasa ka tana ng bulum ba shiba yin yin po sono ba so be gaboda na ka bone o ane gaboda ana dem kwem tamo yorane ban na musa songore te kate tumre te tomala ide bi men ma an ona me songore te kate tumre te tomala samadu ma me be gaboda no me songore te kate tumre te tomala ne daw so me ka bone super o men podim ne te yelle nos da ana men te mo ni bergo ne men ka podim ne te yelle but of late they cannot sing one Santa Maria la fem fa kinga na fane ka sa digan na bapu appreciate te bapu dire te bapu gota te tumala ka ni de bani fo so dana te basani daba yiwa ba ka sa ta digan daba bana bang o te tumala asimo wana ba bul te na lebelen kem pesika
so before then you can pass the start number ni
yes so saat lala ka bano ko degala ni la ayine la ma apose mi se ayene la mengponga depo ayene men depo len pulupuliyas fa kwa sare ning de len yamate so ti apa mana ayinga pasan den na zugun kaning na ta na ansum abozugo azoka market ka buna lokom nor la da ala zuya ni de mekwen da ala tutua so de zugo sat mete pele da nane so container da koma la be sat la da koma la poto dieset sat ka pasare ningi da so ti apa mana yinga pasan de zugun de na marsanate kata yanga tumute tutua